Hey, Matt here from Beverage Tractor, and today I am with a great customer and a good friend, Cole Moore from Topside Brush Control here in Stewart's, Virginia. And today I'm just going to get some really cool drone shots and some video of Cole taking out basically just all of this buildup of brush and stuff right behind us. But Cole, what do we got here?
So we have a Kubota SVL 97-2 paired up with a FAE SSL 150BL forestry mulcher. Also have the full Land Pride forestry package on here with the rear door guard, which is a must-have. All your roof rails. Got the Kubota hydraulic cooler, coupler guard, and quite a few more bracing everywhere else. Just to make everything as bulletproof as possible.
This thing is for sure a beast.
Yeah.
What teeth do you run on this thing?
I run a blade, a steel knife blade, just because I'm pretty picky about my finish, and you know, it cuts down. I'm very productive with that style tooth, and just makes a really fine mulch and a great finish for the customer.
That's awesome. That's awesome. If people want any of your business, where can they find you at?
You can find me on Facebook, Instagram. I have a website, www.topsidebrushcontrol.com. Just send a contact and we can get out and give you an estimate and do anything you need.
Great. It's an awesome machine, and looking forward to taking out some brush today and seeing what this FAE and Kubota can knock out. It's pretty impressive. So, and if you need anything from us here at Beverage Tractor, give us a call at 540-337-1090. Come on by down at Stewart's Highway. We're right down the road, and we look forward to seeing you soon and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.